Hi kids, I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how you can clean up your inbox a little bit so that you're not getting a million emails every day. So when you're in Google Classroom, you're going to go up here to the three lines. Some people call it the hamburger. And you're going to go all the way down to settings. You're going to click on settings and you should come up to your profile. When you get to your profile, you're going to want to leave your email notifications on, but you're going to change the settings for those. So for example, comments on your post. If you post something and there's comments on it, you probably want to turn that off so that you don't get an email every time. Also, comments that mention you, turn that off. Private comments on your work, you're going to want to leave that on because that is giving you feedback from your teachers. So when your teachers are grading an assignment or maybe they want you to resubmit it, finish a couple problems, you want to leave that on because you'll get the email about that. Now here's the important ones. Classes you are enrolled in, because right now you're probably getting inundated with a ton of emails every time a teacher posts something on the stream, every time a teacher posts an assignment. You want to turn that off. So work and other posts from teachers, turn that off because you can just go into classwork and look and see that. Returned work and grades from your teachers, you might want to leave that on so that you can see how you're doing. Invitation to join classes, yes, because teachers will be sending you different invites if you get switched classes or things like that. So you probably want to leave that on. And due dates. Now this is something you might want to leave on if you have a hard time remembering when things are due. If you are one of those that does it right away and turns it in, you can turn that off. You're not going to have classes you teach, but here are these class notifications at the very bottom. You're really going to want to do this. So you're not going to have as many classes as I do. But you're going to want to turn off any email and mobile notifications on or off for that class. You can do that or you don't have to. It's up to you. But then you have to be very, very responsible about going in and making sure that you check your classwork stream and things like that. But that'll lessen how many emails you're getting a day. Hope that helps, guys.